Hello guys, this is your mentor here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to design business poster using Microsoft Word. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. First open Microsoft Word and take a blank document. Now go to layout and ensure that the page size should be A4 and orientation is in portrait mode. Select the margin, click on custom margin and replace the margin values with 0 and click OK. Ignore the warning message. Now go to insert, select a shape and take a rectangle shape and draw over here like this. Now slightly rotate the shape and place like this. Now click on the shape, go to format, then click shape outline and make it no outline, and click here to open format shape, and here I'm giving gradient color. Now click first point, open color box and choose this one. Again click this one and here I'm choosing 15% lighter. For third point choosing this one and choosing this one for the last one. Okay, now change its direction to this one. Now go to insert, select shape and take rounded rectangle shape and draw over here. Now make it rounder using yellow dot like this. Now go to shape outline, click weight and choose the outline of 6 point. Now set outline color as white. Here I need another shape, so insert new one or just make it copy by holding Ctrl key and drag with the mouse and place over the shape. By dragging the yellow dot, make the shape rectangle like this and reduce its height. Now right click on the shape and send it to the back. Now give the shape color. Okay, and click on this shape and give its color as black. Now insert a round shape rectangle and draw over here. Okay, give its outline with 6 point weight. Now give its color as white and go to shape fill, go to picture and browse the logo of the company. Here I am choosing this one as my logo. Here I need to reduce this shape height. Okay, now go to insert and take a text box and draw over here. Here I am writing business poster 2020 just because of it's a template. Rather than using this text, you should write anything related to company as like poster heading or tagline, etc. Select the text, go to home and choose font. Here I am using font called Bodoni Empty Black and make it italic and increase font size to 48. Okay, now select this part and set color as white, and this part I'm choosing this one. Okay, now remove its shape fill color and outline color. Okay, slightly rotate this. Now give some space here and here. Okay, now it's looking fine. Slightly move to adjust. Okay, in this design I need some icons to download, so go to insert and click on icon button. To download you must have to be connected to the internet. Here I need one envelope icon and one globe icon, then location mark, this one. I need more too, this one and this one. Now click on insert button. Right click on the icon and change its layout to in front of the text. Do the same with all the icons. Now select first three icons and change its color to white. Now resize the icons and place over here. Now adjust all of them and properly placed into the position. Now go to insert, click on shape and take a text box and draw over here and type your company address here. Now remove text box fill and outline color. Now go to home and set font color as white. Insert text box or copy this one and place over here and here. Now simply remove this text with email ID and website address. Copy the text box again and increase text box height. Now replace the text with this. Now select the text and remove its line space. Now change the font as Arial rounded Mount Bold, this one. Then increase the font height to 16 and make it bold and adjust the position. Now go to insert, click on picture and browse social media image, this one, and click on insert. Right click to change its layout in front of the text and reduce its size and move over here and place into the position. Now select both of icon and place over here. Decrease its size and properly place the icon into the position. Now select both of them and set their color. Now go to insert and take a text box and draw over here. For the text I will use dummy text. So I am copying this part and paste it into the text box. Now select the font Metropolis Black. Now increase the font size to 16 and make it bold. Now remove the text box fill color and outline color. I think I need to increase its height. Okay. Now make it copy and paste it here. Now copy the text box again, and this text box I will use for description purpose. So I'm taking dummy text here. Now copy the text and paste it here. Okay. Now go to home and change the font with Calibri body and give it size 10. Now change its alignment to justify. Okay. Now copy the text box and move here. And click all of the text box and make them group and adjust properly. Now do the same with icons. Now select this text box and change its font color dark black to this one. Okay, do the same with this. Okay, now copy this one and paste it here. Here I'm gonna use QR code. So go to insert, click on picture and browse the QR code and click on insert. Now right click on the QR code and change its layout to in front of the text and place over here. Okay. Here I need a background image. So go to insert, click on picture and browse the image. Here I'm taking this one and click on insert. Now slightly reduce image height. Looking perfect now. I'm copying this text box, or you may insert new one, and I'm placing this over here and replace the text with our service or our services. Okay, now adjust its position, make it center. Now take this one to description part and place over here and increase its box height. Now I'll take only this part and rest of text I am gonna delete. Now take a bullet from here. Now paste the copied text and do the same. Paste again. Okay, now increase its line space and adjust its width. Reduce the font height from here. Okay, now give them some gap between lines. Here our design is completely ready.